Hi everyone. Today, we will learn how to knit the easiest mesh stitch, perfect for making summer clothes and accessories. It is great for creating beach scarves and lightweight capes. It looks great when made with cotton, wool, or mohair yarn, and can be easily knitted in the round. The size of the mesh depends on the size of the needles you are using. The first row is on the wrong side. There is no need to knit in this row. After the edge loop, make a yarn over loop and slip one stitch. Repeat this pattern until the end of the row. Yarn over, slip one, yarn over, slip one, yarn over, slip one. The second row is on the right side. We work with pairs of loops. After the edge loop, knit 2 together through the back. Knit 2 together. Knit 2 together. Repeat this pattern until the end of the row. I have presented you with the simplest mesh stitch, which is perfect for creating summer clothes and accessories. It's great for making beach scarves and lightweight capes. This stitch looks great when used with cotton, wool, or mohair yarn, and it can be easily knitted in the round. Give it a try and see how easy it can be. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Not Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.